So this is the light emitting software. There's two parts to the software. The first is the video processor, in which you can choose a video. So we'll browse. We'll go to a pretty interesting video we have here. It's red squares. Just open that. And we'll start processing it. So here you'll be able to see the original video right here and the processed version of that video. It's basically averaged into a 4x4 grid, and the colors that it's showing here are actually being written to a file. Those will eventually be output to LEDs on our physical modules over here. So this video is kind of long, so we'll cut it short and just stop the video there. We don't want to replay it. You can view the output replay, but we'll just stop it for now. So an output file has been generated, and that output file is then used to be sent over here. You can do so by these two are on our network, and this is this top one here, and the second one is here. This one's powered by battery. The other one is powered by USB. All our modules can be powered by either, so it's really preference. So what we'll do to load a video on is we'll select the desired module and choose the output file that we would like. Those output files get generated in this frame files folder, and the video we just did is red squares, but the first one I'm going to load actually is color transition, which just loops through a few colors, just to sort of give you an example. So we have that selected, and we'll load the file. As you see, the blinking blue LEDs means it's loading. As you see, the load process ended, so the file is now on the module, and we can if we hit repeat, it'll keep looping that process. So you'll see it starts red and just changes through a few colors. It's really bright, so it actually looks pretty good if we cover it up. So while that's going on, we can actually load the next video. So we'll choose that file that we had just generated, the red squares, and we'll select the other module, and oh whoops, sorry, let's choose it on here. There you go, red squares, and now we'll load it. So as you see, it's loading. So the load process has just ended. Now we can play that file. We'll put that on repeat. So this one I find is pretty interesting. And this will just continuously play until we send it a stop command or we take the power off. It might be easier as it's a bit bright on the video to distinguish the colors, but and the other one will continue. And now we can stop either of those individually by just selecting the module. So if we want to stop that first one, we'll just send it a stop command. It'll turn off, the other one will continue. We can also replay it. And if we want them both to stop at the same time, we can just simply enable the select all and then send it the stop command, and they'll both stop at the same time. The files are still loaded, so anytime we hit play, they'll start again. Yes. So that is our demo.